Hello, my name's Guy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to style text on your website. First, hover over the text that you want to change and click the cog icon. If you hover over the text again, you'll see a blue little paintbrush which will jump you to the Design tab. Alternatively, you can just click the Design tab. So if I go back, this is where we started. You can click the Design tab. There's just two methods of doing it. Now if you hover over the text settings, you can see that it'll highlight what that's going to change in that setting. To the left, it comes up as a box. So we'll start by adding a font. And then we'll scroll down. You can change if you want it to be bold or regular, italic or caps. And you can change the colour. There are some preset colours already here for you, but if you want to change the colour to what you want, click the eyedropper tool and it gives you a colour graph, and you can just pick and choose whichever colour you like. And in the top left corner is the hash, the colour hash, so you can actually choose. You can change the size of the text here, you can change the spacing, you can change how high the text line is, and that is it for the changing of the text. Click the tick to save your settings, and then at the bottom click the three dots where the purple button is, and then in the bottom right corner click save, and that will make this all visible to the public. Thank you for watching.